Shali Sadri wa Yasili Amri Walul Ugdatan Lisani Yakokoli. Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I am your teacher Miss Sassi Asif and today I am going to teach you about Tarbela Dam. Right, Tarbela Dam, Pakistan's lifeline. History, location, advantage, disadvantage. This is what we are going to discuss. And I'm going to show you some beautiful images of Tarbela Dam in which you can understand how the Tarbela looks like and how it was constructed. In the video, we'll be showing you that how it was constructed from the earthen material. And this is how the concept of earthen material will might be clear because sometimes the students are confused in what is the difference between earthen material and the concrete dam. Even in the earthen material, the concrete might be used so beta, this video will surely help you in understanding and clarifying all these concepts. Alright. Okay, so now I'm showing you Tarbela Dam. Tarbela Dam is one of the largest dam of Pakistan and so here's the video of Tarbela Dam in which you can see how large Tarbela Dam is, right? So beta, this is Tarbela Dam. When the water from the spillway, this is how the water moves and it moves towards the settlements right now. Can you see it's like a river, flowing like a river, right? So this is the area of Tarbela Dam. Let me show you now. This is exactly the spillway. Can you see how the water is coming down from this spillway? And at the back, can you observe the reservoir of the Tarbela Dam? दिस इज द ब्लू वाटर इज ऑल द रिजर्वॉयर ये तमाम वो जगह है जहाँ पानी हम सेव कर रहे हैं राइट दिस इज व्हाट तर्बेला डैम इज अबाउट कैन यू सी नाउ हाउ इट इज कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ये इस तरह कंस्ट्रक्ट हुआ था अर्थन मटेरियल से बेटा उसको आपने अर्थन मटेरियल से बनाया दैट इज वाई ये अर्थ फिल डैम कहलाता है राइट so moving ahead about the introduction so in the introduction as we can see that it is the one of the world's largest earth fill dam means it is constructed with the earthen material दैट्स मीन ये आपका बना है माउंटेन्स को कट डाउन करके नेचुरल मटेरियल से ठीक है इट इज बिल्ट ऑन रिवर इंडस पाकिस्तान में वी आर हैविंग रिवर इंडस एंड ट्रिब्यूटरीज और ये बना है रिवर इंडस पे ठीक है प्रोवाइड वाटर स्टोरेज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड फ्लड कंट्रोल ये आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा सोर्स है हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का उसके साथ साथ ये आपको फ्रेश वाटर प्रोवाइड करता है एंड आपके फ्लड में भी बहुत हेल्प आउट करता है क्योंकि इसका रिजर्वॉयर इट होल्ड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर हाउ मच वाटर वी आर जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग इट ऑल अहेड ओके This project was completed in the year 1976. Now let's begin with the history. Alright, now we are discussing the history that it was started in 1968 and completed in 1976. That's means altogether it took 8 years in the construction of this dam, right? It was constructed with the help of World Bank and international engineers was there to construct this. Planned after the Indus Water Treaty was signed between Pakistan and India in 1960 and Pakistan got the right over Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. Easy way to learn these river names. I always ask my students about IJC. Just remember the terms IJC. Pakistan is having the right of Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, right? तो इनका जो वाटर है वो इंडिया नहीं ब्लॉक कर सकता वहाँ डैम्स नहीं बना सकता क्योंकि ये इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी में डिसाइड हुआ था ठीक है जबकि इंडिया डैम्स कहाँ बनाएगा रावी पे ब्यास पे एंड सतलज पे these the things that were decided okay so Pakistan built Tarbela on Indus and Mangla Dam on Jhelum ठीक है okay now beta let's talk about the location of Tarbela Dam is located in Haripur district Khyber Pakhtunkhwa के पीछे में आपका ये डैम कंस्ट्रक्टेड है about 50 kilometers northwest of Islamabad it is built across the river Indus ठीक है Construction, Earthfill Dam, I have explained about the rock and the clay, how it was constructed, okay. Height, length, it's mentioned, and the important thing to notice that, okay, here is something missed out. I want to show you this, that it is built across the river Indus. Not only that, but reserves stores 11 trillion of water. 11 trillion of water. Can you just imagine how much water it is preserving? So beta, if we are having such large dams, Pakistan can store this water. आपका water delta में जाके it's from the mouth of the river, it will not fall into the Arabian Sea. If we are having more dams, we will be saving Alright, so beta, it produces a lot of hydroelectricity and it helps in producing the hydroelectricity which is a cheap and a clean way, right? It's a very clean way of producing electricity because it does not release greenhouse gases. इसके अलावा it controls flood because in a reservoir trillion of water can be stored. Okay, moving ahead, provides irrigation water for millions of acres of land, support fishing and local economy, and in last years job and development. These are the major advantages of Tarbela Dam. Moving ahead towards the disadvantages, displacement, thousands of families lost homes. Silting means that bitter when the alluvium, the fertile soil that is coming along with the water, it settled down at the base of the Tarbela Dam. Then what happened in the reservoir when the silt is settled down, it took a lot of space. बहुत सारी मिट्टी जगह ले लेती है तो पानी की सेव रहने की जगह कम हो जाती है. So with time to time this silt process it needs to be cleaned up, right? Environmental effects होते हैं, fish and habitat disturb हो जाती हैं, high cost of building and maintenance construction and definitely a lot of money is required in the construction along with the time. As we studied that 8 years were required in completing the whole process in the making of the Tarbela Dam. Alright. So with this, I'm winding up my video. Hope you have liked the video about Tarbela Dam. Do like and subscribe my channel. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.